How to remove numbers from these alphanumeric strings. We're going to use the formula. Right here equal to substitute. Double click here. Our text will be in cell A2. Our old text will be 0. Our new text will be empty. Close parenthesis, press enter. This would remove all the zeros inside this cell. Okay, let's write here few zeros and you can see all the zeros are now removed. So if we remove each character one by one from 0 to 9, it would remove all the numbers from all these cells. So we need to just copy the substitute function. You can see I am copying substitute and open parenthesis. I'm going to paste here 9 times for 1 to 9. And then we are going to copy from this comma after cell A2. So here we have comma 0, comma and double quotation which represents empty. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here 9 more times. 2, 3, 4. Now we need to change 0 with every digit. Let's write here 9 and then write here 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we already have 0. So if I press enter, all the numbers is now removed. Okay, now if I double click here, it will autofill. And remember here our text is at the beginning and in the middle. Here our text is at the beginning and at the end, and here our text is at the right, and here our text is at the left. So it doesn't matter where you have your number, this formula will remove all the numbers from your alphanumeric strings.